there, it's Melissa Agazzi with the K Grant Group, and we're out here today at 5544 East Helena Drive, and I want to show you this gorgeous property here in Scottsdale. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and almost 3,000 square feet that is perfect for the whole family. We have no HOA in this neighborhood, so no restrictions on what you can and cannot do with your home. But the gem here is the backyard with an enormous diving pool and a putting green, built-in barbecue, everything you need for outdoor living. Let me show you around. Thanks for having a look around. Hope you enjoyed taking a peek at Helena Drive. My name is Melissa Agazzi with the K Grant Group. If you're interested in looking for yourself, feel free to give us a call.